Hey, it's John. I'm back with a quick tip Excel video. Data bars are a tool you can use to highlight values in a range and rank them. And it's a conditional format. It's in conditional formatting. It's pretty easy. Let me show you. So you just go to you highlight the range you want to rank. You go to conditional formatting, go to data bars, and you can pick either gradient, solid, and there's more options down here, more rules to do it. But you go to pick one that you think contrasts best with your text and background. Click on it. There you have it. The largest number in the series goes all the way to the edge of the cell, and if it's wider, it's wider, and then the rest of the are in proportion to the values in the series. So pretty easy to do. Good quick tip. If you like the videos, you want more, please hit subscribe button so you can see it. Give us a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Let us know some of the videos you might want to see. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.